Alright y'all, Jason from Kilowatt RC. We are back at it. Let's get this baby in. We are running 8S today. Read, one on air, track. Start. Alright. See what we can do. Let's go, guys. Woo! Woo! Oh. GPS is still there. Let's go ahead and shut her off. Turn it back on. Let's go ahead and check the GPS. Stop, ready? That was 122. That's crazy. That thing did a wheelie at 122. All right, we're gonna have to run that back. All right, we'll be back. All right, guys, that was very crazy. We're just gonna run it again. We're not gonna have no onboard camera, so we're just gonna run it again. See the 122 right there. So we're gonna hit track, start, stop, read, one on there, hit track, start. Yeah, we're just, oh well. That's what I'm saying, this car is such a beast. Yeah, we're gonna try that again. She's running so good. She just lifted at 122. That's pretty wild. All right. Give it a shot again. Woo! 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 She lifted too. She lifted. She got airborne. That's crazy. She got airborne. I wish we had the camera on there. Yeah, she jumped. She jumped, I hit the brakes. That's pretty wild, yo. I would love to see that data log. That was a good run. She straight up jumped. Holy cow. That is crazy, guys. Ole Kilowatt RC all day long, guys. All right, you see right here. Speed's registering, stop, read. See that? 123 miles an hour, guys. 123 miles an hour. She was cooking. But yeah, she wants to lift. She straight up, she was about to lift right before she was passing me. And then right after that, you know, as she got towards the end of the runway and was really getting on it, she jumped up in the air and I hit the brakes. This is crazy right here, guys. Yeah, I need to cool down this motor. Give me a second, I'll cool down this motor. Just give me 1 second. Oh, the wire broke, so I can't cool down the motor. Oh well, fix it next time. Guys, that was amazing. That was just straight crazy. Kilowatt RC, mod 1.5 gears on there, pinion and spur, P&W RC Madness, spur shaft. Got these test Lipos on here. You'll see more on this later on. These are 10.4 amp hour. These are literally true 80C Lipos, guys. These are true 80C Lipos. That's all I have to say. All right. So yo, got the OG Gaunt Bananas on here. WFRC Racing motor mount, Castle 8S, and Castle 2028 800 KB. That's crazy.